You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. You can see the world you brought to life, to life. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, da da, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I've gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire. Yeah, I let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clearly more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, love me like you do, like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Yeah, touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? So before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you had a storm to weather. So before you go, they say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. And oh my heart, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. And when you're down, I'll make you do it all again. On the first page of a story, the future seems so bright. Then the sun turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels have their wicked schemes, and you take that to new extremes. But you'll always be my hero, even though you've lost your mind. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hurt me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. I hate to turn up right out the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight, and I hope to see my face, and that you'll be reminded that from me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you say sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. We don't talk. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? We don't talk anymore like we used to do. Remember those walls of built? Well, baby, they're tumbled down. The day to never put up a fight, the day to never make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got in my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna switch you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray you won't fade. I can feel your halo. I can feel your halo. Your halo. I can feel your halo. Your halo. I can feel your halo. Your halo. If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. I will always love you. I hope life treats you kind, and I hope that you have all you've ever dreamed of. And I wish you joy and happiness, but above all of this. I wish you love, and I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you. Azzurro. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can poke it off your ripped jeans, holding me closer till your eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. Wait for me.